Hello guys, how are you today? I hope everyone is fine. We thank God it's another Saturday. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do invisible ponytail. I have finished relaxing my princess hair and I decided to use her to demonstrate how you can do your invisible ponytail. So I will first of all put some pomade in the hair. Then we will be using styling gel, but it's the ponytail that I'm focusing on. This ponytail is very nice when you do it. That's why I want to use my princess to demonstrate to you, my viewers. So I will first of all add some pomade to the hair. Then I will base the hair with the Jamaican Castro Oil because I've been doing the hair for quite a long time. And look at the length of the hair, because I make sure I use right product for the hair so that the hair will not break. Guys, I'm going to list all the product that I use for my princess hair on the description section, so don't worry, I'm going to put the names of the products. The one that I'm holding now is Jamaican Castro Oil. As I told you earlier on, this is what I'm going to use to base the scalp so that there won't be any breakage, and also the hair will not damage, and it helps the hair to grow as well. That's why I prefer to use that. I also use the same product for my hair, but my hair is a natural hair, so watch out. I'm going to upload a video of how I treat my natural hair, and I will do the same ponytail as well. So after this video, watch out for my one as well. Guys, after basting the hair with the castor oil, make sure you give it a massage. You have to make a pattern that you like. This is the pattern that I like. So this is it, and you make sure it's smooth. At this point, you can choose to use add styling gel or not. If you like, you can use styling gel, but that's the position that I'm looking for. Princess, turn your back. You see where I position my pony, because that's where I want my ponytail to be. So at this point, you can use either styling gel or you can use the leave-in so that you get a smooth ponytail. You can use this towel for any occasion, and also they can take this towel to school as well. Here we go. The hair is looking. If you are a beginner, you have to wait for the hair to dry before you do the ponytail. So now that I'm done with my styling gel, the next thing I'm going to do, we are going to add the ponytail. Can you see that? So this is how I'm going to do it. You need your rubber band. You have to be extremely careful here. All that you need to do, you place your hair like this, the way I have placed my hair. Can you see that? Let me show you. This is how long the hair look. So you place it, like this. Then you put the rubber band. You pull the other end. You make sure it's tight. So we are going to bring this bit out. You need a good rubber band. If not, it's going to, when your rubber band tear, it's going to disturb you. So now here we go. You bring the other one. I still need to put add more rubber bands to secure that bit. I can see one is torn, so we don't need that one. So we need more of that. You bring this out again. To secure your ponytail. Here we go. Hello guys. Yeah, after putting the rubber band, then you bring this one back like this. So at this point, you can decide even to leave your ponytail like this. Can you see that? Prudence again. Can you see that? All that you need is, you have to get some of the hair to just secure the hair like that. You see how I'm doing it? I hope you guys can see. Like that. So after doing it that way, all you need is, you can either braid it like this. So I am going, because she is a child, I'm going to make sure I braid this for her. So you take your time. I hope everyone know how to do this anyway, or you can twist it. You can braid it to the end of the hair. Make sure you take your time so that you get a smooth and nice braid. This is the end result of our ponytail. Can you see that? After you braid the hair, and this thing was in the hair, I'm not going to throw that away. I am going to use this to secure the end of the hair. So that's how, like, then that will be a design for the hair as well. Can you see that? That's it. That's our ponytail. You can use this ponytail for any occasion. As I said, if you are a beginner, wait for the hair to dry before you add your ponytail. If not, you are going to mess up. But with me, even if it's messed up, I can still put it together. So that's the end of our ponytail. Princess, get up and turn. Prudencia, turn for viewers to see your beautiful ponytail. Can they see that? Let me see. I have to, yes, beautiful, very beautiful and elegant ponytail that you can use it for any occasion. Can you see that? Or also, you can choose to get another style like this. You can use it like any way, any direction, or any style that you prefer. You can use this for special occasions. Say something to the viewers. Mom's channel.
Subscribe. Also comment for new hairstyles and food. Bye.